How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our EVS class. My dear students, we have completed our first lesson in previous sessions. Alright. Now, in today's session, we are going to learn our second lesson. Alright. Let us move toward the second chapter. Our second lesson is family as first school. Alright. In last session, we have learned about our hobbies. Now, in today's session, we are going to learn interesting things related to our family and our family members. Alright, let us start. Now, students, I want you to open your notebooks and write down the aim of today's class. Alright, so the aim is habits and values. And in that we are going to learn how habits and values differ in families. Alright. So we know that the habits and values are very much important for us as it makes us good person. Alright. So let us read more about it. Now, while learning different things about the hobbies, you may go through the new words. Alright, so the new words are habits, values, kind and discipline. Alright, so write down these words in your notebook. Now my dear students, as we all know that we have some habits, and if we do something wrong, then our parents say that it is bad habit, or if we do something nice, then they say us good habit. Alright. So in last standard you may have learned about some good habits and bad habits, such as brushing your teeth twice in a day. It is a good habit. Alright. Then respecting elders, it is a good habit. Then speaking loudly is a bad habit. Alright. Now let us read more about the habits. See, habits are the different activities that we do daily. Alright. What are the habits? Yes, the habits are the activities which we do daily. Alright. Now let us read more. The habits such as eating, sleeping, exercising, these things we do daily. We eat daily, then we go to bed and sleep daily. Then this is the most important habit, that is exercising. Doing yoga, exercising, playing on the ground, these all things are related to exercising, and these all are habits. Alright. So, see here. Now, there is one difference between habits and values. Alright. Do you know what are the values? Yes, the values are the good actions and thoughts. Now, see here. You can see sharing and caring for young ones. These are the good actions. Alright. Sharing your tiffin, then sharing something that you have with your friends, it is one of the good value or good action. Alright. And taking care of your younger brother and sister, it is also one type of good habit which comes under the good value. Alright. See, there are more good values we can see. Here, respecting elders, it is the more important value. At your home, you may have your grandparents. Alright. So, you should respect the elders as your parents, grandparents, your uncle, aunts, your teachers and your neighborhoods. Alright. Now, see, caring for animals. This is also most important value. We should respect animals also. Alright. Do not tease animals because they are part of our environment. So we should take care of animals also. Alright. young ones. If you have small brother and sister, do not fight with them. Alright? You have to take care of them. Alright? And you have to share whatever you have to give them. Alright? See, the next one, some habits that we learn from our family members. Alright? As we know that we live with our parents and our grandparents and many other family members. There are some habits which we learn from them. Now let us what habits we learn from our family members. That are the type of food we like to eat. Now if the family members they eat vegetarian food, then you might be also love to eat vegetarian food. Alright. And if the families they eat non-vegetarian food, then you might be like the non-vegetarian food. Alright. Then second habit is the way we eat. Alright. If your family members they teach you properly how to eat, how to sit while eating, then you have to check that food properly for good digestion. Alright. These things we learn from our family members, and the most important is table manners. Alright. How to sit, how to eat, then this comes under the table manners. Alright. So all these things we learn from our family members. Now let us read more what we learn from our family members. See here, the time we go to bed and wake up. If your family members they go to bed early, then you may also have this habit. And then if your family members wake up early in the morning, then this is maybe your habit also. Alright. So they teach us go to bed early and wake up early in the morning. It helps us to be on time. Alright. Let us read next one. That how loudly or softly we talk or laugh. This also we learn from our family members. If the person they in your family they speak loudly, then you might be speak loudly, and if they speak softly, then you may also speak softly. Alright. Let us read more about the values. See here how we learn different values from our family member. As we learn different habits from our family members, in that way we learn different values from our family member. Alright. See here, being kind and helpful. Being kind and helpful we learn from our mother, father and other family members, as they always help us in our work. Alright. They help us for doing our homework. Then our mother pack our tiffin, pack our school bag. Our father drop us to the school. Our grandmother and grandfather they also help us in many ways. Alright. So these things teach us to be help others. Alright. And be kind. See, if you are sick, then your family members they take care of you. So it teaches us to be kind, or we have to help whenever someone needs our help. Alright. Now let us see respecting others. In our family members we see that our parents they always respect their parents as they are elder family members. Alright. They help others, they respect them. So we also learn from them to respect others. Alright. So we always have to respect our elder family members. Alright. See here, being disciplined. Our family members they work in a disciplined manner. Alright. So from them we also learn to be in discipline. Alright. They do their work on time. It teaches us to be disciplined. Alright. So let us read about more. See, habits and values within families are different, as we all know that we live in different families. You may have different habits and values, and your friend may have different habits and values, as you are the part of different families. Alright, it means the different families have different habits and values. So here, in some families, elders touch the feet of elders. Alright, your parents may touch the feet of their parents, and you may also touch feet of elder family members. Alright, then see, stand up when elders enter the room. In some families, some elder person enters the room, then others stand up and greet them. Alright, and here the habits to keep footwear outside the house. This habit we can see in different houses. Alright. See, the habits such as eat meals and celebrate festivals together. Whenever the families are different, they celebrate different festivals in their family. Alright. See here, the one family is celebrating Diwali. This family is celebrating Eid. This family is celebrating Christmas. So these families are different and they are celebrating different festivals. Alright. And in some families, people or family members, they eat together during the festivals. Alright. They gather at the one place and they eat whatever meal they have. Alright. And here, pray before meal. Alright. During the lunch, then dinner, breakfast, they have habits to pray the food. Alright. Now see. Here in today's session, we learn different habits and values from our family members. So you have to write 3 habits and 3 values of your family. Alright, you may have different habits and values at your family, at your home. So you have to write those habits and values in your notebook. Alright, I hope you have understood the habits and values. Alright, thank you.